Sometimes when using DaVinci Resolve version 21, when making a proxy file or optimized media, I find it sometimes seems to corrupt the audio in the timeline, and you get this audio is offline, but the actual video track is absolutely fine. If you go to the original clip and then scrub through it, the audio is absolutely fine. So I've found if you want to fix this issue, you have to go through a few steps, but rather than having to recreate all your edits, you can simply export your edits and then recreate it on another timeline. So let me show you how to do that. You want to right click on your timeline and then go to timelines and export the top option here. Click where it says DaVinci Resolve Timelines and change it to EDL with audio, and then just hit save. And what we want to do is then create a new timeline from the one that's been corrupted, which was timeline 1. Right click on that, go to timelines, import, then click on the first option, then find your timeline file, which is the one EDL we created, import that, then it's going to ask you the timeline name. I'm going to give it a new name, let's say timeline restored, then click OK, OK. Then we get our timeline 1 restored, and we get our timeline back with our audio. And then you can go through and just delete your original timeline, of course, the one that's got corrupted. Hope that's useful to someone out there, if it happens to you. If it is, of course, give the video a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another video about DaVinci Resolve.